So first of all, add the image in your CapCut timeline just like this. And if you want to increase the image length, you can do it just like this. Now select the image clip in your timeline, then select the video tab and select the basic tab. In here, next to transform, add keyframe. And here we can see the first keyframe has been added. Now you have to move this playhead and put it to the location from where you want to move the image. So I'm going to move the image from beginning. Now I'm just zooming out the image just like this and moving the image location to top right corner. And now moving this playhead, and in this location I'm moving the image to bottom right. And again here we can see the second keyframe added. Now let's move the playhead and now moving the image to bottom left. Here we can see the keyframe added. Now let's move the image to this location, and here we can see another keyframe added. And finally I'm making the image like before. Now let's play our timeline, and here we can see my still image is now moving. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.